Hi, Niner Victor 1 Papa Mike here. The unboxing of a Yaesu FT4XR FM transceiver. Okay, let's see. There's the operating manual of FT4XR and there is a battery warning leaflet. Okay, let's take the transceiver outside. Looks like the Bofeng UV5R. I'll just keep it away for some time. Now, I'll tell okay, that's a charging cradle. Looks similar to the Bofeng charging cradle. I wonder there's a barrel jack socket on the back side, and there's a fast charger. Seems like a European plug. There's an adapter over there. I think you can press over there and it will come out. Okay, I'll put it back. And yeah, there's the socket for the DC barrel pin. I'll just have a look at the voltage of the charger. It's 12 volt, 1 ampere. Okay, considering the voltage of the battery, I think it should be like 7 or 8.4 volt. Let's see the battery. I think 12 volt 1 ampere is a good rating for a charger as a fast charger. I just focus the text of the battery label with the camera. It's not focusing well. I'll just try one more time. Come on, let's see. Yeah, 7.4 volt, 1750 milliampere. Okay, that's a decent battery. 2 points on different from the points are located different from the bofang. Okay, there's the belt clip. Okay, it's a metal one. Good one, yeah, it's a good one. Two screws. Now we look at the transceiver. There's a label on the back plate showing FT4XR and the antenna contacts. Sorry, I mean the battery contacts. I just put the battery on the place. Seems like there's a latch over there. Yaesu is famous for their latches on the battery. Okay. Yeah, I'll put the open the latch. It's coming out. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. Okay, now I'll just take the antenna out. Rubber ducky antenna, wideband rubber ducky antenna. Better than the antenna that's coming with the UV fiber. So this is having a reverse SMA connector. I'll just switch it on. And let's see a display FT4X 8.0 volt and there's a VHF frequency coming in. Seems like a decent build, much better than the Chinese radios. Seems like a decent build. Okay, there's the red LED glowing upon pressing the transmit button. So I suppose it may be changing color to green on the reception of the signal. Yeah, this is my first radio as a Singaporean ham and I like this one. Okay.